Hi everyone, so today's look is a Barbie slash Killer Barbie look. I don't know what to name it, so that's what it is. If you want to see how I create this, then just keep watching. I am using the Profusion palette today. I will link down the name below because I don't remember it. But I'm just taking the pink color from this Profusion palette and I'm applying this all over the lid. I'm just using that one eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be taking the Cover FX liquid eyeshadow. It's a beautiful pink shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm going to be applying that on the lid only and making sure I blend it evenly over the lid. Then I'm going to be taking a blue glitter eyeliner, and I bought these on Amazon, so I don't know what brand it is. It's just a brand from Amazon, but it's actually really good. So yeah, I'll link that below too. And then I'm taking this foundation, and this is the ColourPop No Filter foundation, and I'm applying that all over the face just to even out the face as usual. Then I'm going to be taking my concealer. The concealer is the Josie Mehron Vibrant C concealer, and this is my go-to concealer at the moment, and I love it. So I'm going to be applying that in the places where I want to highlight: under the eyes, the forehead, the nose, the chin, as usual. Then I'm going to be blending it out. After I blend that out, I'm going to be taking the Contour Effects by City Color, and I'm going to be contouring my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead, and underneath my chin area. And I like to contour my nose a lot in this look because, you know, Barbie has much more of a slimmer nose, so I'm going to be emphasizing on the nose a lot. After that, I'm going to be taking my Be Matte blush by City Color, and I love these blushes. I forgot about this. This is actually a brand new one that I just opened. It's such a beautiful pink color, so I'm applying that on the cheeks. And then I'm going to be taking the same pink and applying that on the lower lid and blending that out nicely. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil so my eyes pop. I'm going to be applying that on the waterline. Then for the lips, I'm going to be taking my Unicorn Snot lip gloss, and it starts with a lip primer and then it has some glitters with it. So I'm going to be applying the lip primer first, of course, and then I'm going to be applying the pink glitter on the lips. After that, I take my mascara and I apply it on both the top and bottom lashes. Did you guys notice that I can't talk at all today? Anyways, then I'm going to be taking my highlighter, and the highlighter that I'm using today is the HI Lite by Glam, and I'm taking the pink shade, and I'm going to be highlighting my nose, my cheeks, and the inner corner of the eyes, and the brow bone as well. So that's basically it for the glamour side of this look. Now we're going to go into the horror side of this look. So the first thing is that I'm using liquid latex. Please be careful with liquid latex. It's super strong. So before you use it, just, you know, learn about it and then use it. So what I'm doing is gluing this eye patch on my eye, which is just basically tissue. And the liquid latex helps to glue that on the face. And yeah, you just want to make sure that it's glued on properly. So you want to apply thin layers little by little. So then after that, I let it dry before you go in with any other step. And the other step is to take the foundation, and I'm taking the foundation that I used before, and I'm going to apply that right on top of the patch evenly, and make sure you cover every white part of it because you don't want any white parts sticking out. Then I'm going to be taking cotton balls, and the cotton balls is what makes the face look lumpy, and it makes it look like you have another layer of skin, or like your skin was destroyed by a car crash or by a fire, or whatever the case may be. If you ever wanted to do this, it could be for any look. So then I'm going to be basically covering the white parts of the cotton ball with foundation. And then on top of that, I'm going to be adding red eyeshadow so that it can help cover up most of the white parts of the cotton balls. And then I'm going to be taking a plum color so that it looks like I'm bruised up as well. Not only bleeding, but you're bruised up as well. So just make sure you're hiding the white parts as much as possible. Then I'm going to be taking my Mehron coagulated blood, and I'm going to be applying that all over the areas of the face that I want bloody. So basically all over that side of the face. And yeah, I'm just going to be blending it out with my fingers, covering up as much as the white part as possible. And yeah, making it look creepy as possible. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you like this look, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you recreate it, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.